facilitate your learning, please make sure that a notebook or a piece of paper is prepared. Also, a pen or pencil is ready for you to make notes while watching the video. Thank you. May I have your full attention, please? All contents provided by this channel are meant for informational and educational purposes only.
I find billiards to be a relaxing pastime.
I've noticed that.
Many consider billiards a stress reliever.
I've noticed that too.
You can find the game extremely enjoyable.
What are you trying to say?
Let's play billiards together.
To make sentences more complete, clearer, and more expressive, the SVOC subject, verb, object, complement structure is a powerful tool in English, especially when it comes to describing, evaluating, or explaining the object. The C complement provides additional information that tells how the object is affected or how the object is perceived. The C complement helps to specify or define the object, making it easier for the listener or reader to understand exactly what you mean.
I find billiards. The word I is a subject. Find is a verb. Billiards are objects.
This sentence feels incomplete. It states that the speaker finds billiards, but what they find about billiards is missing. The reader would expect additional information, like how billiards is perceived. I find billiards to be a relaxing pastime.
The word I is a subject. Find is a verb. Billiards are objects.
To be a relaxing pastime are complements. In this sentence, the complement to be a relaxing pastime describes billiards, the object, by telling us what the speaker thinks of billiards.
The sentence is complete.
The complement explains the speaker's opinion about the object.
Agree. Many consider billiards. The word many is a subject. Consider is a verb. Billiards are objects.
The verb consider suggests some kind of judgment, but the what or how of that judgment is missing. It leaves the reader wondering how many people think about billiards.
The meaning is unclear.
Many consider billiards a stress reliever. The word many are subjects. Consider is a verb. Billiards are objects. A stress reliever are complements. Here, the complements, a stress reliever, define what billiards, the objects, are considered by the subjects, many.
The sentence is fully meaningful because the complement clarifies the speaker's evaluation or judgment of billiards. You can enjoy the game. The word you is a subject. Can enjoy is a verb. The game is an object. The sentence becomes less informative and feels incomplete.
You are right. The reader or listener would expect additional information. What you find about the game. The sentence leaves the action find hanging without explaining how the game is perceived or judged, which makes the meaning unclear. Thus, the sentence lacks clarity and doesn't communicate the subject's perception or judgment of the object, the game. You can enjoy the game extremely enjoyable.
The word you is a subject. Can enjoy is a verb. The game is an object.
Extremely enjoyable are complements. In this case, the complements extremely enjoyable describe the game, the object.
The sentence is fully descriptive and gives clear meaning about how the game is viewed because the sentence expresses the subject's opinion about the game, emphasizing how the game is perceived.
Remember, the complement is essential in completing the meaning, showing what or how the game is in the subject's view.
Okay.
Excuse me, please spend a few seconds to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. My coach are subjects. Calls is a verb. The next move are objects. A risky attempt are complements.
Let me try. The first sentence feels incomplete because the listener or reader does not know what the next move is being called. It lacks the necessary information to make sense of the coach's judgment. Am I right?
Well done.
You make my day.
The second sentence contains complements. A risky attempt. That describes the next move, the objects. The complement provides the coach's judgment about the move, defining what the move is in their view. This follows the SVOC structure as the complement is essential to convey the meaning of the sentence. Please find me on Instagram under the surname Hi Anjun. Feel free to follow me and leave a comment on Instagram. Let's connect and stay in touch.
Complete the question in 1 minute. Let's check your answers.
If you would like to support my channel, please scan the QR code. Then you can buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you. That's all for the video. If you enjoyed the video or find it useful, please like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon. Also, what's your favorite pastime? Comment with your thoughts below. You're most welcome to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.